My treat this time to a place that is refreshing, fresh and beautiful place, especially on this holiday. The name on the place is Buhir Waterfall, with location in the village Buhir. The journey takes about 15 minutes. It can be seen from this road. The Maras Hill that is shooting to the eye. It is nice spend the weekend. We'll get nothing event. Let's go to mountain. To reach the location of the waterfall, we had to walk after about 20 minutes. We'll be heading the sun because the weather is getting hot today. Come on. Come on, I'm never this excited. Hello guys, welcome to the Hill of Maras. To warm up, I'm going to do a little sit-up. I'm not alone. This our friend accompany me to the waterfall. My name is Cahaya Purnama. Okay guys, this is already half the way. Here is an ornament tree and what but no leader. Come on. We can continue the way. My friend look tired. Be patient friend, soon we will get tired. This will definitely pay off with a fresh waterfall. Soon we will arrive. A little more to the destination. Okay, we have arrived. This is a climbing route. For those who want to climb can pass this path. To climb we need 3 hours or 4 hours, depending on whether we stop often or not during the ascent. In front of this is a waterfall. Even that it has been said don't leader, but still leader. Don't do things like this. Love nature. This is the waterfall. Because it has not rained this day, the waterfall has not glided. There is trash here too, guys. It seems that my friend can't wait anymore to wash his face and wash his hand. Okay guys, this is the waterfall. I can't wait to feel the cool water flowing from the top of Maras Hill. Without any length, and immediately swam in this cool water. I will jump in. This is my first adventure video. For the future, I hope I can make even better video. I have music for you. The best revenge is to make yourself better. See you again.
Other guys, you're telling me lies. Oh, I can't believe what I'm seeing with my eyes. I'm losing my mind, and I don't think it's clear.